Hi, this is just a brief video to show you how to export model space as a PDF so that the entire piece of paper is filled side to side with your drawing. So we need to first look and say, okay, do we want this to be portrait or landscape? This is kind of side to side, so I'm going to say landscape. So we go to the Model tab down here, right click, Page Setup Manager, Modify. We don't have a printer selected, so let's do that. And we're in America, so let's pick an ANSI one, and I'm going to pick something that is landscape. Now see, it says portrait here, and it's landscape there, and it's causing a conflict. We also have some plot offsets that are causing a little bit of a problem with our display. We want to plot extents and have a 0 plot offset, and we want to center the plot, and again make it landscape, and now there's no red up in our little preview. Okay, so now we close. And the easiest way is to go to the Output tab of the ribbon, and it's saying Export Display. We want to use the drop-down box, Export Extents, and then it's already, PDF is selected. If it wasn't, we would just come down here and select PDF. If we've got line weight, we want to make sure that this PDF preset is not set to general documentation like it usually is. Make sure that it says high quality print. I'm going to open it in the viewer when I'm done, and I'm going to save. And there it is. You can see this was on a student version, and it fills the entire page. All right. If you choose display, it'll show your entire drawing area. So you want to make sure that you always do extend when you're printing from model space. Thank you.